Hey guys, welcome back to Shimi's Kitchen. Today let's make white sauce pasta with vegetables and chicken. It's a really basic creamy cheesy pasta recipe. You can also pack this white sauce pasta in your kids lunchbox. I feel like this is almost a one pot recipe except boiling the pasta. So let's see how to make this. Bismillah. In a large pot, add 5 cups water, add 1 teaspoon salt and drizzle few drops of oil. Bring it to boil and add half packet of pasta. Cook according to the package instruction. Once done, drain and wash with cold water and set this aside. In a pan, add 1 tablespoon olive oil, 2 tablespoon butter. Heat till the butter melts. Add 1 tablespoon minced garlic and next I'm adding 1 chopped onion. Saute till it becomes translucent. Goes in 1 cup cubed capsicum, 1 cup yellow bell pepper and 1 cup red bell pepper. Saute for a second. Add few leaves of spinach. This is optional. Mix it up and then I'm adding boiled and shredded chicken. You can also easily add some cooked prawns. Just mix it up. Goes in 1 cup boiled broccoli. Mix this nicely, adding 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon Italian herb, and now cook for 3 to 4 minutes, stirring occasionally. Add 2 tablespoons all-purpose flour, give a nice mix for half a minute. And now slowly start adding 2 cups milk, stir continuously till the sauce starts to thicken. And now simmered for 2 minutes, then add 1 cup fresh cream. And next I'm adding 1 cup grated mozzarella cheese. Give this a very nice mix. Add 1 teaspoon Dijon mustard sauce. This is optional. And now it's time to add cooked pasta. Stir and mix everything together. And next I'm going to switch off the flame. And now your pasta is ready to serve. This white sauce pasta is a quick 30-minute recipe. You can easily pack this for lunchbox. Pasta is always a kid's favorite, so add on vegetables in it and make it a healthy one. So guys, try these out and let me know how it turned out for you. Do like and share this video and subscribe to our channel. When you do, click that little bell icon. See you with more amazing recipes. Till then, take care, stay safe and Allah Hafiz.